me and MommaB at the airport. We're at the moment with another family, just helping them out get through the customs, I guess. So yeah, how do you feel? My mom's nervous. Yeah, I don't want to record too much at the moment. I don't want to like miss or anything or something like that. So I don't feel any emotions at the moment. I'm like not nervous or anything like that. Are you nervous? For sure. Yeah. Probably record more inside the water. So we just made it through the thingy. Yeah, so I think we're gonna muck around because our flight's at like 6 something. So yeah. So our new buddies behind us. Let me show you guys. MommaB in the making. So the mum that's with us, she's getting her kids a bottle of water. And we're just gonna chill for... Oh, actually I need to activate our thing. Oh.
My shoes got bounced.
Shut up. What do you mean?
Because of the metal.
Oh, that's why he was...
Because of the thing.
Yeah. So I was wondering, they were like, take it off or something?
Yeah, I had to take it off, so they had to check my legs.
Oh.
See if I was holding bazookas.
Oh. These are bazookas here, these calf muscles here, these are bazookas, man.
These are
Honestly,
bazookas.
Now those are...
You're someone, you got bazookas.
Can't help you guys. Those ones. I'll probably get back to you guys when we've like gotten a feed or something like that. Hey guys, so we're like inside the airport now. So I'm just looking at my phone to see if it looks alright. So if it look dark, I'm pretty keen. MommaB and new friends with us. Let me show you guys around actually. Oh my gosh guys, I'm wearing my Wyf CaityB shirt. I'm pretty excited. I'm so excited. Let me show you guys the outside. Yo, I'm so keen, man. Like, and it's awesome. I love that I'm traveling with my mom too. Like, guys, look at this. This little area inside. Mallows. Cute little kitties. Yeah, I'm pretty keen. So that's our gate over there. 14A. I don't know how to feel yet. I'm not nervous just yet. I'm sort of like, I'm just like, this is normal. I think, thank goodness for like us meeting these new people, because our mind's sort of focused on something else. So cute. We're gonna get there midnight, which is Saturday the 31st, and then I got a birthday to go to like later in the night, which happy birthday to Frank, by the way. I'll probably be taking my camera anyways. So it's like 5 o'clock, just after 5 o'clock. Our flight's at like around 6:30 or something. My homie, yeah. So we're just chilling about. Just gonna listen to some music or something. So guys, if we look fat when we get back, just don't say anything because I might uppercut you guys. At least we had a good life, okay?
Don't say anything or I might bore her mouth.
Yeah. And I'll bore her eyes.
Bore her or bore me with some money.
Boy, we're heading onto the plane now, guys. Look at that view.
Kia ora and good evening everyone. My name is Paul Turley, your flight service manager. Also leading the team with me this evening is our in-flight service coordinator, David Hickey. Now it is my pleasure on behalf of your crew to welcome you aboard the Star Alliance flight operated by Air New Zealand. Civil aviation rules require you to comply with all crew instructions and signs while aboard this aircraft. To prepare for takeoff, you must now stay your tray table and footrest. Please check children's fingers and toes are well clear of any moving parts. ensure your seat back is upright, armrest lowered, and window shades are open. We are...
We're getting off the plane. Oh, thank you. Bye. Oh, see ya. Oh, and my bags are getting stuck out here. Whee!
Smell clean air already.
Yeah, fresh air. Oh my gosh, guys, the air actually feels really fresh. Oh my gosh,
fresh air already.
Kiwis. We are home! And the sir here is gonna show us to our room. Oh, I'm tired already. Ah, thank you. Oh, this is so nice. Thank you. Oh, this is gorgeous, guys.
That's
Gang, gang, gang.
whoa.
It's your boy Boom Bullet.
You can see
Oh, this is such a nice room.
the trees.
Oh, let's look at the darkness, guys. Joe, is that you down there? No. What's up, y'all? It's Wyf CaityB back in the building with yet another video, and I am currently in New Zealand, guys. So we just had a maybe like 2-3 hours sleep, and now we're heading off to Otara Market. Yo, so, oh my gosh, you guys have to see my view right now. So guys, it's only y'all and you. Looks very dark at the moment. I better head downstairs because I know those guys are waiting for me. Let's go. Let's rock and roll, guys. Yep. Can't even deal, man.
It was nice.
It's so warm.
I'm cold.
Just straight up. Like if I could walk around in a bikini, I would. No. If I'm getting a headache, no. Oh my gosh, guys, this is home. Otamariki Park. The expensive petrol place. Oh,
Money. Where's the rat?
it's probably gone long gone now. Just saw a rat. This is home. This is. Mom, how are you feeling? Oh, guys, like it is so warm. Like I can't deal. Gotta keep my buddy here warm, sick. Y'all would have seen that on my story. And that, oh, ni hao. Look, ni hao. Ah. you know it's not a New Zealand market if no one's performing. Oh my goodness.
Oh yeah, can you give me a few bucks? That'd be great. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
You guys see that?
Can I get a hot dog from
Chicken stuff nice though.
But guys, the smells here are just amazing.
skills?
You wanna try this, guys? You know, I'll try for that. Oh, this tastes so good. Try the chicken. It tastes like the butter chicken. The butter chicken at Manuia. This is the best butter chicken I've had for like a year now. How much we've been looking for good butter chicken. This is so good. So Joe. What do you think, Joe?
It's nice.
Let's go.
Wow.
That is so good, man.
Yeah.
No, we only do Fridays, Saturdays, and Sundays.
Like the famous rapper of Otara, and then we have a D's over there. No, because you know I use oysters to rap. Can I take a photo of you? Oh, cool, thanks.
Really?
Sorry. Sorry.
Can I take a photo? Yeah. Where do you guys from?
We're from here, but we moved to another like 3 years ago.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah, sweet. Oh, all good. Yeah, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. You too.
Yeah.
See you. I want to take a photo of him too, but I'll come back to him after. Yeah, 25 too. Every other t-shirt is like 40 or something every day.
They didn't even have these.
Yeah, true. Only at the New Zealand store, but just getting some feeder guide. Mean feeder. Yeah.
I finished mine.
Another drink? Yeah, I'm out here having these hot chips, yeah. I gotta go. Yeah, I just got me a steak and egg roll. The meat looks sketchy, but you know, I tasted it and it tastes like the best steak I've had in like 3 years. It's yo, best steak and egg roll in the world. Look at this bad boy. That's the colour I want. I know no one has it over there. Yeah, so we just got back to the house. I'm mostly gonna have a good drink of this thirst drink. I can sass this like and no tomorrow. Let me just take the camera out just in case I wet it. So we just came back from the Otara market, and which you guys would have seen, and we got some stunner gear. We got Otara jumper and singlet. So this is the sorry, I didn't move my face. If you guys ever want to check them out, get some gears, go on the Stunner website. Best choice you'll ever make. Especially because they got Afterpay now. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna be broke as fuck. What's up, y'all? Sorry I forgot to record an outro, but I really do hope you guys enjoyed this vid. For a lot of my New Zealand vlogs, I did forget to record an outro, but you know what, I'll make up for it by talking with y'all. But I really hope you guys enjoyed. Welcome to all my new subscribers. I love you guys so much for joining. To all my OGs, thank you guys for sticking with me, and yeah, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, fam. And woohoo, we're at 500 subs. I just checked just now, and I'm at 500 subs, so I don't want to jinx it too much. I'm waiting for it to fully go up a bit more, like up to 505 subs. But yeah, thank you guys so much for getting me there. To all the Polytubers, my newfound fam, for constantly putting me out there. But yeah, so grateful, so thankful. Love you guys heaps, and see you guys in the next vlog, guys. Bye. Bye.